Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to go over pagination in AngularJS. If you're not familiar with ng-repeat directive in AngularJS, you can watch my previous video. So to get started, we're just going to use a simple library. It's called dir-pagination, and I'll add this link in the description. So to get started, I download that library here, put it in a separate file, just call it dir-pagination.js, and then include it in your main HTML file. So I include AngularJS, dir-pagination, and then my main script. So I have this basic table here with a head. It's basically just a bunch of dummy data for website analytics. It's people that viewed the website. So we do person and data, and then track by person ID. So we just view the first name, last name, email, and IP address. So over here in my script, I have a basic module, mainApp, a controller called mainController. We import HTTP and scope, and we use HTTP to get data from the data.json file over here, which has all the dummy data in it. So then we add that data to the scope, and then we loop over it in HTML here. So let's go ahead and set up the pagination. So this is the import that we need. So we can copy. I'll put this in the description as well. So you put this in the import in your main module, so angularUtils.directives.dirPagination, and make sure you have the right casing on everything too, so it works. So we have that, and then that's pretty much all we need on the JavaScript side. Okay, so let's head over to the HTML now. So this is what we currently have, an ng-repeat, and let's see how it looks on the web. So if we open that index.html file, we could see it's a very long list, and it's a lot of scrolling. So let's go back and let's change the ng-repeat to dir-paginate. And then we have to add a filter called itemsPerPage 10. You can do whatever number you want per page here. You have to make sure this is before the track by, if you have a track by, which isn't necessary. Just makes it a little faster if you're reloading the data multiple times. So actually, let's remove that for now. So we have that, and then let's add controls to the bottom of the table so you can control which page you're on. So dir-pagination-controls. So that looks pretty good. So let's go over, refresh, see how it looks. So we have 10 per page now, and if we click on these different page numbers, you can see changes pages. So obviously it's not very pretty, the numbering down here, because it's the standard template, but you could get whatever template you want, or create your own template, and then here you just add template -URL equals, and you pass in the path of the template. So if you could create a new file here and create a template. But for now, we're just going to leave it like this. So let me know if you have any questions, and this is just a simple AngularJS pagination tutorial.